Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to have an illustration of how to add your postgraduate qualification on your PMDC license. So go to the PMDC website, log in into your portal, sign in, and on the dashboard go to the postgraduate qualification application here. Click on the apply. These are the documents that are needed by the PMDC for adding of postgraduate qualification: consent form for the foreign qualification, an election letter or degree, a training certificate issued by your hospital, and in case of the FCPS or MCPS, a transcript issued by the CPSP. So here are the disclaimers that the fee is cleared after 48 hours. It's non-refundable, non-transferable. Usual processing time for the application is 14 days, and you should better check your profile details before going further. So click on the agreement for the terms and conditions. These are the details that you need to put in. The postgraduate awarding entity country, for example, it's Pakistan. Then the institute that have awarded the qualification to you. So it may be any university. There's a list of universities. So let's put it as the CPSP. What is your qualification? So put in your qualification here. And what is the period of the training program? So in case of FCPS cardiac surgery, it's 5 years. Then what's the passing date that is mentioned on your DMC? And then what is the institute that you have been trained in? Here would be the name of your hospital, then the address of granting institute, the address of CPSP. What is the mode of studies, full-time, then the email of the CPSP. Okay. So here are the documents that need to be uploaded. So CNIC or the passport in case of the foreign nationals. Transcript or final year DMC issued by the university. In case of the FCPS, MCPS, you need to upload the transcript issued by the CPSP, and then the qualification, the election letter of it or degree, and then the training letter issued by the hospital, your PMDC license, and last you need to upload your degree. And all these need to be uploaded in picture form. Then proceed to payment. Here is the summary of your application: your name, father name, CNIC, gender, mobile number, email, and then the mailing address, your permanent address, and the application fee, which is 6,000 at this moment, and then the courier service, which is 200 rupees. So here is the mode of payment. You can submit your fee through your card or MCB challan. Click on the pay. Once the fee has been submitted, you can track your application under applications as shown on the left side of the window.